Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be drawing the head because it shows our character's directional focus. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to want to pick which way you want the head facing. I recommend trying profile or front facing to begin. While you're deciding, go ahead and write your name, title, and date on your paper. Once you've picked, you're going to start by drawing a circle. I'm going to do 2 circles because I'm going to do both profile and front facing at the same time. Ooh, let's make that a little bit bigger. There we go. Now that I have the main circle, that's like this top part of the head, we're going to draw in the bottom line, which is like the chin and jawline. For my profile, that's going to come down and over, kind of meet it right there to an almond type point. For the front facing, it's going to come from both sides, coming down and around, similar to a U or a V letter shape. Now that I have that, I'm going to draw a straight line down the center of the front facing head. I'm going to go ahead and write front and profile here. Next, we're going to draw the eye line, which kind of goes directly in the center of the circle. I'd say maybe just a little down, depending on the shape of the head. Same over here, through the circle. Maybe it's in the middle, maybe it's just slightly down below. It just depends on your character that you're drawing. The front facing shows us this line where the eyes will be. I'm going to draw circles to represent that. And then on our profile, we'll just have 1 circle. The nose is where this center line and the bottom of the circle meet. I'm going to draw just like a little upside down 7 to represent that. Over here, see where the bottom of the circle is? I'm going to kind of draw an imaginary line there. That come out here. And then for the lips, that's going to be in between these 2 areas. Let's take a close look at those. So you can do a little M. Here I can do the M. And then for the rest of the mouth, I can just come up with a little U. And on this side, it kind of makes like a little heart shape. Depending on if you have your mouth open, closed for your character, or you could just do a straight line. It's really up to you. I recommend just doing the simple M shape for beginners, 7 shape for beginners, and a simple circle for beginners. But if you're not a beginner and you want to do more details, go for it. Next, I'm going to use the nose to kind of bring up where the eyebrow will be. So I'm thinking about this line here and just coming up and around. And then I'll mirror that for this side. Those are the eyebrows. If I've already studied how to draw eyes, I can draw on the eyelids and give it some more detail. Same with the nose and the mouth. I can also think about the neck shape. The ears kind of line up with the eyes, depending on the age of the character. Sometimes you'll have a really big ear if it's older. Or if it's a younger character, you'll probably have a bigger head in ratio to the ear. For this character over here, that ear is probably going to be somewhere right around here. That eyebrow shape kind of comes in right here. And there is the basic shape of our head. If we feel like going above and beyond, we could even add hairlines or a hat and start decorating our character. And that's totally up to you. Till next time, class, keep being creative.